Welcome back, folks. Greg Silverman, CIOs and bow ties. We really are stuffy old fellows here. No, just kidding. Okay, come learn with me. Another session. And welcome to all of our Chinese visitors. Thank you for all your attention, and we love having you along. Emerging markets hedge funds extend strongest gain through mid-year 2021. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's definitely been a while for these guys. This is from Opalesk. Opalesk Industry Update. Emerging market hedge funds led by funds investing in India, Russia, China, and the Middle East extended strong gains through mid-year 21 as EM hedge fund capital eclipsed another record with performance again topping gains in EM regional equity markets and complemented by volatile cryptocurrencies. All right. Let's keep going. The HFRI Emerging Market Index, Total Index, has returned 8.1% year-to-date, 21, through July, led by the HFRI Emerging Markets Index, India Index, which surged 33.3%. There you go, India. While the HFRI Emerging Markets Russia Eastern Europe Index vaulted 16.3%. As reported today with the release of the HFR Asian Hedge Fund Industry Report and the HFR Emerging Markets Hedge Fund Industry Report from HFR. Investable HFRI 500 Fund-Weighted Composite Index, which includes funds across all regions in both emerging and developed, has gained 8.8% year-to-date. Total emerging market hedge fund assets increased to a record 273.7 billion to end second quarter 21, representing an increase of 8.87 billion over the prior quarter and 17 billion during the year. While EM hedge fund performance was led by India and Russia, other EM regions also posted strong performance. The HFRI MENA, Middle East, North Africa Index jumped 11% through July, while the HFRI EM China Index had 7%. So that's interesting, right? Topping the performance of the Chinese equities. Yeah. So it's not often that it happens that a hedge fund return exceeds the total return. The HFRI EM Latin America Index posted a modest gain of 1.1% year-to-date, though still topping the moderate decline of Brazil equities. Hedge funds across EM regions, including Korea, Russia, China, and the Middle East, as well as Japan is not EM, have become increasingly active in cryptocurrency trading. Despite recent volatility, the HFRI Cryptocurrency Index has surged 174% year-to-date, 21 through July. Though pairing gains in recent months as many currencies fell sharply from record high. Interesting that EM, where do we start this highlight? Okay, hedge funds. Interesting that they've got involved in cryptocurrency trading. I mean, yeah, super interesting. Yeah. Total capital invested in Asian hedge funds increased to a record 138.5 billion. Representing an increase of 5.9 billion over the quarter. Emerging market hedge funds performance and capital extended 21 surge as the global economy reopening progressed through mid-year, albeit with complications from new virus variants. Inflationary pressures remain present across both EM and developed markets, with EM hedge fund performance topping the performance of most respective EM regions. Once again, hedge funds across both EM and Japan have continued to increase exposure to cryptocurrencies, mirroring expansion of consumer adoption and usage of cryptocurrencies in EM regions, stated Kenneth J. Hines, president of HFR. Leading global institutions and investors extended their increased exposures to EM and cryptocurrency hedge funds, positioning for continuation of powerful and favorable EM cryptocurrency trends through second half of 2021. I don't think that's happened as expected, but yeah, just strong returns everywhere. I mean, it's just you print enough money and you can send rockets to the moon. All right. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. EM hedge funds making a comeback. Greg Silverman from my living room. Ta-ta.